What if Lincoln survived Ford's theater and personally led Reconstruction? He suggested leniency for the South, but survival could mean a coordinated plan. Southern states must accept Union authority, protect freed people, and guarantee voting rights. That might prevent Andrew Johnson's disastrous restoration policy, weaken the black codes, and give officials time to crush the Ku Klux Klan. Black citizens might gain representation before white supremacy hardened. But Lincoln couldn't erase racism overnight. Northern voters could still tire while Congress fought over Reconstruction's demands. The key difference would be political unity. A Lincoln-Republican alliance might extend federal protection beyond 1877, preventing the compromise that abandoned Reconstruction. America might enter the 20th century with a less violently segregated political system, but the struggle would remain enormous. What do you think would happen? Comment your alternate theory below. Subscribe for mind-blowing what-if history scenarios.